everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and also to my Halloween series. This one's a little bit different as it's not makeup, but I thought I would do a Halloween book recommendation. All these aren't technically Halloween based, but they're all sort of based on like witchy, magic kind of thing. So they're pretty good reads for this month. Obviously this is the very first time I've ever featured books as well, so I hope you like it. And I'll just get straight onto the first one. So the first book I've got is The Witch's Kiss. While this is based more on like young adult genre, I think that's what you call it, I actually really enjoyed it, and obviously it's about witches. There's another 2 in the series. I've read the second one but not the third yet. This is the first one. I actually really enjoyed it. It's still sort of based in like modern times, and also it's a bit of like a love story as well. But I actually really enjoyed it and I thought it was a really good read, so I would recommend that one to you as well. Another which is also part of a series, but this is the first one, is A Darker Shade of Magic. I actually really enjoyed this and I can't wait to get the other 2 I think there is, I'm not sure. But yeah, this is based around magic again, a magician, and it's based around London, but there's sort of a twist to it, and I don't want to give that away because that is like part of the story. But yeah, it's a really good read and I was sort of hooked on this from the very first page, to be honest. And it's also quite a different take on magic. It's not like all good and everything, there is some like dark elements to it, which I really liked, and yeah, I just thought it was a really good read. Another witch one is A Secret History of Witches. Now this is quite a read, as you can see it's quite thick, but basically it's following a certain family and the generations that follow, and how witchcraft and spells affect their family, and yeah, what it can do, I sort of guess. Also, if you're like into French and things, then there's parts of this which do a little bit of French in. I couldn't understand it, so I was glad they had like the English with it because I couldn't understand that bit. But yeah, it's a really good read. It did take me a little bit to get into this one, but then once I sort of got with it, I couldn't put it down, and it was really good. And I love that it goes through like different generations. There's bits of history in there. But yeah, A Secret History of Witches. And lastly is actually one of my favourite books I think I've ever read. And from the very first page I could not put this down, and that is The Night Circus. I've heard quite a few people go on about this and I can completely see why. It is such a good read. Again, based around magic, magicians, witches, that sort of thing. But I think this one, out of the lot, I think this one makes you use your imagination the most to sort of picture everything. Because basically that's what a book is. You want it to draw on your imagination and make you picture everything that is in that book, and this definitely does. So I really enjoyed this. It's also a bit of a love story. There's a bit of darkness, I suppose you call it, in there as well. Yeah, this is just one of my favourite books. I would recommend it to anyone and everyone, whether you like magic and circuses and things like that. Yeah, I would just recommend this to everyone. It's such a good read. So those are my 4 books that I would recommend for Halloween autumn kind of read. They're all sort of based around magic and things like that, which is what Halloween really is. It's based around magic and things. Well, nowadays it is anyway. I don't know if that's really how people do a book video, but that's how I'm doing it. I don't really know what to say. I've just sort of showing you some of the ones that I've liked. You might as well if you like Halloween and magic, witches, fantasy type of thing. You also have to let me know if you have read any of these, and also if you have any suggestions of books I should read next. I would love to know what you think. So I hope you like this. Please get a big thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe by pressing the subscribe button right down here. And I'll see you soon with another video. Bye!